Kajing test positive you doctor jang Bethany Hospital Klawan ra kajing kulmar jang mod haki babon nambar bonu doctor ulat test positive haka arp khandai terik jang banai bala dep hinde hak si ka babon par kata kalai pho terik jang ju banai la test biang yu bat ka report kalong negative menta ka singi ka ar terik unai lar aja arpho uniu doctor ulat pen pana hi ka jing jia da ka bay thoru ya la ka kerteng uniu de doctor te boram bai ubadan menta quarantine center hamati u doctor bai ulat kenturu ye ki pai ba ki bashim da waino u na doka arpu waitrek hadok arpu sautrek jong naitung arja arpo ban bod nti ki kendon jaka sarkar kari khasi channel kala yo banya kran bar u leng ba ka phone ban sgo tho bha halor kani ka jingja
Long fishing tak kita nampak apa yang kajing semua nak kita nampak karena center.
I'm in a perfect condition because I have suffered from corona pneumonia back in April. So now I'm okay. I don't have any problem. But the government said that since you are positive again, so you have to be sent to a corona care center. Madonang ni mati menta.
Mati. Ka yin je fifi kong under quarantine mo ka yin je firu.
My house is under containment zone. Katoka you jang apilai katoka you ka order from the magistrate DC.
Em je katu ka fi ong dai fi dan ka antibodies na do na April arjar mitaus nem.
Yes.
Siap yang kita ki sign ni symptom dengan COVID-19 silapan batai kampanye doktor lo katu. Kenapa kita baca sai?
You see, antibodies mean you have an immunity against the corona. So, lada pila don antibodies mean you cannot catch corona. So, anyone who have suffered from corona, after they recover from a corona, they will have antibodies against it. So, kajimbut hadin mapila depang corona, pin your antibodies. So, your antibodies, now we don't know how long these antibodies can protect you. But so far, mean a minimum of 3 months. So far, a minimum of 3 months means I cannot be reinfected again if I have antibodies. So I was tested for antibodies. So my antibody is positive. So a positive antibodies mean I have immunity against it. I ngamna asyo banyo long gumune u chicken pox nei pi song tho em chicken pox. Itu ki yang persit nei ai kan to. So a chicken pox mean pila banyo chicken pox isin. Hadin ngatu pacirta jing impinam yo so itu chicken pox.
Okay,
Namar ba pila don immunity. So this immunity will help to protect you from a chicken pox. Even if you touch a person which is suffering from a chicken pox also, pinam your chicken pox because you have immunity against it. So that is the rule of nature. That is the rule of virus, the viral nature. So the one pinam show. That is how vaccination is supposed to work. Long the ball vaccine. So we vaccinate you to make an antibody into your system so that you can defend against corona.
Okay.
Despite I'm having that antibodies, I'm still getting positive for corona. That means the vaccine will be a failure. We need the vaccine. We have so many vaccines for hepatitis B. We have vaccine. We have for polio. We have for polio. We have for hepatitis A. We have for diphtheria. We have for tetanus. So on so on. So whenever happen, once you vaccinate, means your body produce antibodies. So these antibodies protect you against the infection. Suppose polio vaccination. So once we give you a polio vaccination, your body will produce an antibodies against the polio virus. So you cannot get polio virus. Polio virus, they cannot attack you because you have an immunity against it. That is the antibodies. So I was tested positive for antibodies. For April. After I have treated Dr. Silo because Dr. Silo is my patient. I'm the doctor who treated him. Nado na yeng hado for hospital. So it's very confusing. I mean, on the
confusing.
They should have they should have really look into it can before just declaring me. But what to do? It's done to
Anyway,
to
kalau kami ni doktor, tenda kayang jongi ngan saya kipat bar kia kemen bagi dewe ni kipeng buat semak ban declare hi kan. Merbuat ka government kam reveal ki keteng kem ting si lawan sakma. You are the first doctor ban reveal. Kenapa kipat bar kita perlu isi kan susu mo. Tinggal semua kata di kabah ka bagi kipat bar kan semua tenat kan. Ka bagi declare self declare mo. Dah, I wish you well tapi nang kait na ni. Ma.